चैप्टर 10 तर्पणा तर्पण तर्पण का नेत्र तृप्तिक्रम परम शाह 13/38 Tarpana is the best method of inducing thripti, satisfaction to the eye. It is the local procedure of application of oily substances, Fig.2.1 P.201 through a specially prepared border over the eye. तच्चनेत्र बस्तिरिति प्रसिद्धम दीपिका शार.u 13/1 Synonym नेत्रा बस्ती Indications by virtue of nourishment, ऊर्जा और बालदाना, तर्पणा is effective in following conditions. ताम्यत्यतिविशुष्कण यद्रूक्षण यच्चातिदारुणम शीर्णपक्षमाविलन जिहारोग क्लिष्टं च यद्भृशम तदक्षि तर्पणादेव लभेतोर्जाम संशयम सुल 18-17-18 Visual disturbances, तिमिरा, अविला दर्शन Dry eye conditions, रुक्सा, परिसुस्का, आति विसुस्का Allergic conditions, दारुणा, क्लिष्टमा वर्तमा Diseases of eyelid hardened painful eyelids and damaged eyelashes, दारुणा वर्तमा, सिरनापक्स्मा Structural deformities, squint, जिह्मा, नेत्रा कुटिलता नैने तामेति स्तब्धे शुष्के रुक्षे भिघातिते वातपित्तातुरे जिले शीर्ण पक्षमाविलक्षणे कृच्छ्रोन्मील सिरा हर्ष सिरोत्पात्तमोर्जुनैः स्यन्दमंथान्यतो वात पर्याय शुक्रकैः अहरिसु 24-1-2 आतुरे शांतरागाश्रुशूल संरंभदूषिके तर्पणा is effective V1 in these conditions, अकार्य वाग्भता difficulty in the movement of eyeball and eyelids, स्तब्धता, क्राइक्रोन्मीला Diseases of Suklamandala, Sirotpata, Sirharsa, Arjuna Diseases of KRIAMNDALA, Savrana Shukla and Avrana Shukla Diseases of Sarv Akshik Abhisyanda, Adhimanta, Anyatovta, Vatparyaya and Suskasipka Diseases dominated by swelling, Sotha, Sarangadhara Ut 13.40 Diseases due to injuries Contraindications दुर्दिनात्युष्णशीतेषु चिंतायास भ्रमेषु च अशांतोपद्रवे चाक्षिण तर्पण न प्रशस्यते सु 18/18 से 19 तर्पण पुटपाकश्च नस्यानार्हे न योजेत चक्रदत्त 76/30 Climatic conditions, very hot, very cold, cloudy weather General weakness during excessive stress, worries, tiredness and giddiness Associated with amalaksanas, acute manifestation of eye diseases like raga, ashru, sula, samrambha, dusika and apadrates. A.H.Su 24.3 Conditions forbidden for nasya karma navapratisyaya, swasa and ksa. A.H.Su 20.12 Immediately after drinking water, alcohol, poison, fatty substances or eager to drink any one of them. A.H.Su 20.11 Kapha dominant types of Siroroga, Karnaroga and NSA-roga. Procedure आधारो माश्चूर्णेन क्लिन्नेन परिमंडलो समो दृढ़ाव संबाधो कर्तव्यो नेत्रकोशो है पूर्येत घृतमंडस्य विलीनस्य सुखोदके आपक्षमायतः स्थाप्यम सु 18-6-8 यवमाशामी पाली नेत्रकोशाद बहिः समाम व्यंगुलोच्चा दृढ़ा कृत्वा यथास्वन सिद्धमावपेत सर्पिर्निमिलिते नेत्रे तप्तांबु प्रविलायितम अहरिसु 24-4-5 Akshi Tarpana is a procedure of pouring a medicated ghee or other substances upon the eyes, where a frame of black gram paste is firmly fixed. The eye is made to open and close several times. When the specified duration is over, ghee is removed. Purva Karma Preparation of the patient Preparation of the paste Making the frame around eyes Warming of the ghee Preparation of the patient Patient should be subjected to different forms of Shodhana procedures like Vaman, Vayarkana and Nasya Karma earlier. Swastivkena, the chanting of prayer. After the digestion of food or in the empty stomach, patient is asked to lie down on the treatment table. Mild massaging of eyelids with ghee and fomenting with wet cloth. Preparation of the paste. About 200 grams of masa churna, black gram flour, is mixed with nearly 100 milliliters of clean water. It is beaten well to form a sticky paste. This paste should be thick enough to mold into any form. Making the frame around eyes, half of the paste is rolled into cylindrical shape. Free ends of it is stuck together to make a circular frame. This is placed around one of the eyes touching the eyebrow above, nose medically, maxillary prominence below and the lateral border of the orbit laterally. This is then properly stuck to the skin, which is subjected to massage and fomentation. A small portion of the frame touching the skin is pressed against the underlying skin with a finger. This forms a firm frame around the eyes. Approximately 2 inch high, 2 angular boundary is prepared around the eyes. Care should be taken to avoid any weak point in the frame so as to avoid leakage of ghee during procedure. Warming the ghee. The medicated ghee is warmed in a water bath to make it similar to body temperature. Pradhana Karma. Patient is asked to close his eye. The lukewarm ghee is poured into the frame. In the medial side, Kaninika Sandhi of eye, with the help of a dropper spoon up to the level of eyelashes. Patient is asked to gently open and close his eyes beneath the ghee. This is continued for a specified period. When the time is over, slowly separate the frame from the skin with the help of a probe through lateral side, Apanga Sandhi, then the frame of gram flour is also detached. Retention time of Tarpana. For healthy persons, duration of holding medicine is 500 ntrakla. 100 ntrakla is nearly 32 seconds. On the basis of dosa. Duration in matrakla, in general practice. Susrita Vagbhata. Vtaja netra roga 10001000 30 min, pittaja netra roga 800-620 min, kafja netra roga 600-515 min. On the basis of adhisthana. Netra sikitsa. Duration in matrakla. Susrita Vagbhata. In general practice. Vartamgata roga. 100-300. 5 min संदिग्धता रोगा 300-300 10 min सुकलकता रोगा 500-600 20 min कृष्णकता रोगा 700-600 25 min दृष्टिकता रोगा 700-700 25 min सर्वकता रोगा 1000-1000 30 min पासकैट कर्मा A.H.Su 24.9 After Tarpana. Mild fomentation should be done with warm paste of barley or warm water. Prayogika dhumapana with kafhara dravya should be done to eliminate accumulated kapha. Patient is advised to avoid seeing very bright objects or distant sky immediately after Tarpana. In the evening and night, eyes should be packed with cooling jasmine flower buds, A.H.Su 24-21-22 for at least 3 days. To remove the debility and speed up the healing activity, Putapka is recommended. It induces Laghutva, Visdatva and Suksmatva to the eye. Some practitioners are replacing the Yava Masa embankment with eye cups made of fiber or rubber for the sake of convenience. Both eyes are treated with the same frame by few vidyas. Fig.2.2 P.201 Medicines for Tarpana. Generally Ghrita Manda, liquid portion of ghee, or Trifla Ghrita is used for Tarpana. The animal fat vasa is preferred in Naktandhya, Vatajatimira, and Krichiromilna. A.H.Su 24.6 Specific drugs for different eye diseases are as follows. Disease. Tarpana medicine. रेफरेंस सवरीना शुक्ल कैंडनाडी सीरप का ASU 14.21 इन पेनलेस कंडीशन तजा तिमिरा शतावधि सर्पी S.U 16.17 पित्ताजा तिमिरा जीवनीदी S.U 16.18 कफजा तिमिरा तालिसादी S.U 16.19 वताजा अधिमंता स्मार्डिक सीरप का S.U 19.12 कफजा अधिमंता अज्यकृत सीरप का S.U 19.34 सुस्कसीप का जीवनिया घृता योगरत्नकारा द टेम्परेचर ऑफ दीज मेडिसिन्स हॉट और कोल्ड डिपेंड्स अपॉन डोमिनेंट डोसा कदुष्ण कफवाते तु शीतलम पित्तशोणिते गदनिग्रह नेत्र 188 इन कफजा एंड तजा डिजीजेस द मेडिसिन्स शुड बी lukewarm, whereas it should be cold in pittaja and raktaja diseases. Course of treatment. One course of tarpana is usually of 5 sittings. According to Akarya Videha, quoted by Dalhana on Su.ut. 18.12 Vagbhata A.H. Su. 24.10 and Gada Nigraha, Netra 187 Udas Smiley. 1 Vataja diseases daily. 2 Pittaja diseases alternative days. 3 Kafja diseases once in 3 days. 4 Sanniptaja diseases once in 2 days. Akriya Susrita and Gaidasa are of the following opinion. एकाह वा त्रियहे वापी पंचाहन चेष्यते परम सु 18/12 वताजा डेली पित्ताजा once in 3 days कफजा once in 5 days. Akarya Jejata has considered severity of the disease as a criterion. He has opined that tarpana should be done only once in mild diseases, 3 days continuously in moderate and 5 days continuously in severe diseases. Strict aftercare for double the duration of tarpana is advised. As this is very difficult, at least equal number of days should be considered as pathyakala. It is ideal to do tarpana for 5 days. Assessment of the procedure. Features of proper tarpana. तर्पणे तृप्तिलिंगानि नेत्रस्यमानि लक्षयेत् सुखस्वप्नावबोधत्वं वैषद्यं वर्णपाटवम् निर्वृत्तिर्व्याधिविध्वंसः क्रिया लाघवमेव च. सु 18-12-13 प्रकाशक क्षमता स्वास्थ्य विषदन लघु लोचन तृप्ते अहरी सु 24/11 प्रॉपरली डन तर्पना रिजल्ट्स इन साउंड स्लीप, blissful awakening, clearness of eye, perfect color vision or clarity of Shukla Mandala, Krishna Mandala etc., cure of the disease, normal functioning of the eye in all respects like eyelid movements, response to light etc., lightness of the eye. The word Varnapatva is explained by Sri Dalhana in 2 aspects. 1. Of 2, the perfect perception of colors like white, blue etc. 2. Netragatsyev Shukla Krishnadir Varnasya Vaimalyam, the clearness of Suklamandala and Krishnamandala. Complications. If the procedure is done either in excess or in deficient manner, they will result in Atiyoga and Hina Yoga respectively. Atiyoga, symptoms indicative of excessive effect. गुर्वाविल्मति स्निग्धमश्रुकंडूप देहवत ज्ञेय दोष समुत्क्लिष्ट नेत्रमत्यर्थ तर्पितम. सु 18/14 गुरु फीलिंग ऑफ हेवीनेस इन द आईज. अविला विजुअल डिस्टर्बेंसेस. आति स्निग्धा एक्सेसिव ऑयलिनेस इन द आईज. अश्रु वाटरिंग ऑफ द आईज. कंडू इचिंग सेंसेशन इन द आईज. उपदेहात स्टिकीनेस ड्यू टू एक्सेसिव डिस्चार्ज. अति तृप्ते श्लेष्मजारुजह अहरी सु 24/11 Many types of Kafja diseases will be produced by excessive Tarpana. To treat these complications, Dhumapana, Nasya, Pariseka and Anjana of RUKA type are necessary. धूमन्स्यांजनैः सेकैः रुक्षैः स्निग्धैश्च योगवित् सु 18/16 Anjana is most preferred in such cases, followed by Asiotena and Svedana. Hina Yoga, symptoms indicative of inadequate effect. Deficient Tarpana results in Hina Yoga Laksana slight. Rukshamavilam Sradhyam Sehe Roop Darshane, Vyadhivridbhisht Tajgeya Hintarpitmakshi So 18/15 Ruksa, dryness of the eyes. Avila Darshana, visual disturbances. Asra Adhyam, excessive tears. Asham Rupa Darsane, intolerance to light. Vyadhi Vridhi, worsening of the disease. Hina Yoga of Tarpana can lead to Vataja eye diseases. A.S. Su 32.4 Mithyopcharadhanyoryo Vyadhirup Jayate Anjana Shotnas Vidaryathaasvan Tamupachret. So 18/30 they are managed by Snigdha type of Anjana, Asiotena and Svedana. Research. A study was conducted on 25 healthy volunteers to assess the safety profile of Tarpana Karma. The common ocular symptoms and other parameters like intraocular pressure, temperature, pulse, respiration and blood pressure were recorded for possible adverse effects. No serious adverse effect was noticed. Ref. Farkil. A critical study on the safety of a unique therapeutic modality Tarpana presented in pre-conference workshop update Ayurveda, Seth G.S. Medical College Came Hospital, Mumbai, 1999.